So this is something that happens very often. Most of our ceilings are knockdown texture like this one, and you do a repair and then you have a huge patch of smooth flat texture on it, which is not texture, it's just the mud that is sanded. I'm going to show you how to match this texture and this patch in a moment. So we prepared a fair amount of mud, and it's not that liquid, it has this consistency. Alright, get a regular sponge and make it like a Swiss cheese. Get some fair pliers and pull some notches out of it. So what we do is that we'll fill the sponge this way. Alright. So see there, you can start seeing the pattern that we're gonna get once we put this on. See, all the way up here, starting here. Put some light pressure on it. Take it out. That's good. Now we're gonna do the rest of it, and I'll show you how to knock it down. The whole area is covered with the texture, the new texture. Make sure you have your floorings covered before you start doing this, and work your way out, because it will start dripping on you and you don't want that for sure. We have several patches in here. Electrical work was done, so they opened a bunch of holes in the drywall. We're gonna wait till it dries so we can knock it down. If you knock it down and it's still very wet, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna drag the whole thing and make it flat again, and we don't want that. Before I knock down the texture, I'm gonna show you a couple of tools that you can use to do it. This is special tool done for knockdown. It's made by Home X. What it is, it's a knife with a foam, thick foam in here. See, it's flexible. And the other one is like a drywall knife, and it's very flexible as well. Have to be careful with this thing. And let's go and see how these guys. We had to do a lot of patching in here. All the area at the end needed to be patched. It had no texture at all. So if you get a painter or a drywaller here who will tell you that, he or she will tell you that you need to skim coat the whole ceiling and retexture it to get the better finish. I agree with that. That is totally right. But we're looking for affordable and practical solutions here. We're rental fixers, and this is gonna look pretty. And the other reason you use flat paint on the ceiling is because it hides the imperfections so much. It's just perfect for ceilings, but you cannot touch it because it will get dirty right away. We're gonna start with this small patch in here. I'm just gonna use the big knife because I already have it in here. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna do two at the same time. Slowly drag it. What it does, it gets the mud flat. You can do it as many times as you need to. I'm gonna clean the knife and show you the final result with the flashlight. The first patch that we started with. First pass has to be really soft. Don't worry about those imperfections in there. You get it done on the second or third pass. That's a pattern that you will get. Let me clean the knife and do the third pass. So now we can apply a little bit more pressure. Alright, I'll show you the final result with the flashlight. Here you go. This is matching texture. It's not perfect, but once it's all painted, you won't even notice it. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this did something